Hey campers, welcome to Anchored at Home, and today we're going to be doing a couple science experiments that I think are really cool, and you can do them with just normal things that you find in your house. So the first thing you need is 2 glasses, just normal clear glasses. If they aren't clear, then you won't be able to see what's going on inside of them. Next you need some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, canola oil, any kind of oil. Just make sure you ask your parents or grandparents or sibling to make sure that you can use it first. So we're going to put quite a bit in each of these glasses. Alright. You want about 3/4 of the way full. So they look like that. Then we have just some regular water. And you're going to fill it up a little bit more with water. Alright. Now you can already see oil and water don't mix. So the water goes straight to the bottom and the oil stays at the top. And it's like that for both glasses. Now we're going to put a little bit of food coloring, a little bit into each glass. I'm going to pick blue and red. I think those will show up pretty nicely. Alright, so we'll put some blue in this one. Put some red in this one. Alright, both of those colors are just going to settle right between the oil and the water. Right there on that line. Alright, you can see the blue's kind of starting to go into the water a little bit. Alright, so the next thing you need is some antacid tablets. Sometimes you can find Alka-Seltzer or anything like that. But right now we just have some normal antacid tablets. We're going to put one of these in here and one of them in here. We're going to see what happens. Ready? And you have your very own lava lamp. See, the way that this works is the antacid tablets have 2 chemicals in them. They have sodium bicarbonate and something called citric acid. And neither of those chemicals really want to mix with water too well, so when they hit the water, they cause a chemical reaction and they make a bubbling up of carbon dioxide. And since water doesn't mix with oil, when the water hits the top of the oil, it stays in little bubbles and just goes up and down. Let's see what happens to the red one. And what's really cool about this experiment is that you can do it multiple times. It's not just a one and done deal. So if I get out some more antacid tablets, just keeps happening. Sometimes you can break them apart to get an even bigger effect. And there you go! You have your very own homemade lava lamps. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next week.